What's good, everyone? It's Rob back with another video. Yeah, man, I got me a mechanical keyboard from Aukey. Now, look, I'm not a mechanical keyboard expert by any means, and it's a funny story behind this keyboard being delivered to me. Aukey has this program for creators. I went ahead and signed up for it, and I picked out a different product, a wireless Qi charging pad. And somehow I ended up with the mechanical keyboard. So what I had to do to make this a much more, make this actual unboxing a lot meaningful, I had to research a lot of information about mechanical keyboards, which is now my expertise. So hopefully you guys like this unboxing and a walkthrough. I did get some information, I did a little research, took some notes, and hopefully I can relay this information to you guys on how nice of a keyboard this is. Now, this is the Aukey KM63 budget mechanical keyboard. The cost for this keyboard is $65. Now, it does have this what you call nondescript packaging. Let me go ahead and get it unboxed so you can get a look at it. Now, inside, have a user manual and a 24-month warranty card that tells you information about your actual keyboard and how to get it registered. The manual is 3 pages in English. Even though it's a little thicker, it does have other languages, but the part you're going to need the most is the first 3 pages, and it breaks down a lot of little things like the functions of the key, the function keys, what kind of commands they have, and what have you. But pretty much your standard user manual. All right, let's get this out. Now, this is a really nice keyboard, well built. Have a metal plate background with the keys, nice mechanical keys up front. Got the Aukey branding over here. Got the industrial looking screws in between some of the function keys up top. The keys on this keyboard has a nice click to them, has great feedback, nice tactile bump, which allows for those sure hits. Now, underneath the key, OutEmu blue switches, which are based on the cherry blue switches. So there's no delay when you type with this keyboard. And from what I understand from my research, that the blue switches are not that desirable for gaming, and that the red switches found in gaming keyboards may be more desirable for those who are hardcore gamers. Now, I'm going to leave the link above and at the end, and also in the description of the video, that helps explain the differences in the color switches when it comes to mechanical keyboards. Now, another cool deal with this keyboard, which I like, is that you need no third-party software to run the colors on the keyboard. Sometimes you have to download a particular software that helps coordinate how the keyboard switches colors resonate when you're typing. But with this particular keyboard, no need for third-party software. All those features are built into the keyboard itself. Now, to use a lot of these keyboard functions, you need to hold down the function button and then press the M1 button to rotate through the colors. Now, there's a lot of patterns of colors you get with this keyboard. You also may see the options for pulsing colors. And like I said, they have the rainbow pattern colors. And there within all the color modes, you can change the colors for each pulsing or pattern style that you see on the keyboard itself. You can also control the brightness, and you can also control the pace for which those colors are pulsating, or the way they flow through the keyboard in the background. Now, up top, you have controls for first-person shooters, CF games, Call of Duty, League of Legends, and racing games. And you have the ability to manually change the function of the keys to your own personal and favorite settings by hitting the function button and the MR button to the right to help change the colors of the different buttons, to help you remind, you know, basically like if you need to reload, or if you want, if you got a game that has a lot of features with it, you can color code each one of those to fit a game that you're playing. And there's also volume up and down buttons up here in the function. There also, you have the ability to forward, skip music, and pause some of your favorite music through your favorite music library of choice. There you have it, my unboxing and walkthrough of the Aukey KM G3 budget mechanical keyboard. A great keyboard for those who deciding to dip their toes in a mechanical keyboard game. I would not recommend this for the hardcore gamers. This is something that if you got somebody who want their first mechanical keyboard, this will be a great choice for them. So again, thanks to Aukey for sending this out to me. I appreciate it, guys. I really do. And also, people, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to sub. And I'll catch everybody in the next video.